Number 5. HYCHIKA 50-foot laser level. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly laser level, the HYCHIKA 50-foot laser level is worth considering. This tool may not offer the same precision as higher-end models, but it gets the job done for simple tasks like hanging shelves or pictures. One of the biggest advantages of the HYCHIKA laser level is its affordability. You don't have to break the bank to add this tool to your collection. The simple controls make it easy to operate with just a couple of buttons to navigate. The accuracy of the laser is surprisingly good for the price point. You can project horizontal or vertical lines up to 50 feet with reliable results. The drop test performance was solid, showing that this tool can hold up to everyday wear and tear. What really sets the HYCHIKA laser level apart is its versatility. You can switch between horizontal and vertical lines as well as crossed lines to tackle a variety of projects around the house. The included magnetic mounting bracket is a nice touch, although a tripod is not included. While the instructions could be clearer, a little trial and error will help you figure out how to use the self-leveling function. The laser may be hard to see in bright light, but overall, it's a great option for DIY enthusiasts on a budget. In conclusion, the HYCHIKA 50-foot laser level offers solid performance at an unbeatable price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for occasional use, this is the best bet for you. Check out the HYCHIKA 50-foot laser level for an affordable tool that gets the job done.